Just doing some running around. This morning I've dropped off the 2 tail shafts for the car to Hardy Spicer to just get them serviced, some new uni joints, stuff like that. They've done a lot of Ks, but the reason I'm here is because I'm at Advanced Headers, and they are the guys that manufacture the headers that go with the Marks full drive conversion kit. So if you're buying a kit from them, you're buying the Advanced Headers, or you can just come to these guys and get them yourself. So Ryan and the boys in there are going to sort the exhaust out on the car. He's got the headers there ready to send off to get ceramic coated. We'll go and have a look around and get some exhaust. Oh no, that's not them. Yeah, they were a bit big. Yeah. So these guys have been around for, I think, near on 40 years. They've done more exhaust systems than you and the entire of your family and street have had hot dinners. So yeah, they've done it all, they know what they're doing, and I'm glad to be using their products on the car. These are apparently Nissan Patrol headers, so LS into Patrol. So whether you're doing Land Cruiser Patrol or plenty of other conversions, or even just headers for your normal car off the shelf, they can do normal diameter, big diameter. It just depends on how much horsepower you want to make. No, that's cool. Got all the bits ready to go. Turbo flanges and stuff like that for all sorts of different turbos and cars, and for all those people that are wondering when the Land Cruiser is going to get turboed, not in this lifetime probably, but it would be cool. So if I did do that, then yeah. But for the meantime, I'll just be happy with a 6 litre in it. So. So we're here where all the stock's kept. Pretty much everything they make they have in stock, so that if you want to buy a set of headers from them, they can get shipped out straight away. These are the headers here that are going to be going on the Land Cruiser. They are going to get sent off and get ceramic coated by HPC in Victoria, and they're an 1.75" primary pipe there, and he said they're good for around about up to 600 horsepower, so that's going to suit the Land Cruiser just nicely. But the beauty with also having the ceramic coated too is that not only with having the vented bonnet on the car, that's going to help, but also the ceramic coating is going to help by keeping the under bonnet temps down and stuff like trans tunnel and that as well. But yeah, just an added bonus. But once these are on the car, the engine's all sitting in and potentially even running, we'll get the car towed up here and get the rest of the exhaust system done. It's got a different rear bumper on it, so we're going to tuck it up and do a few little trick things to it, but yeah, should be awesome. And just in case you're wondering, there is 2 sets of headers because it's a V8 and there's 8 pipes coming out of it. So driver's side, passenger side.
You're ruining my new grill.
No, making it better.
This is a brand new grill. Yeah. And that's a reciprocating snap-on. Hang on, I'm gonna go this way because I keep filming myself up like chin spec. Alright, so this here, not sitting right, but is a CNC machine plastic grill insert that we've had made to go into the factory grill. We've got to modify it, screw it all in place or rivet it or something like that. But it's kind of a little bit similar to the Ranger ones with the Hoon TV on it. Adam can hold it properly so I don't look like an idiot. Tori's currently cutting up a brand new replacement grill and enjoying every second of it.
That's what I like.
And yeah, and we're going to make it all fit, paint it black, and then hashtag send it. So that's what's called being smart. So he's already cut down through all the rest of them, and then when he got the bottom one, he flipped it over and then cut back the other way so he didn't go through and then cut into the shiny part of the grill that we want to keep. He's smart like that.